here from Bean Sprout. I have a stock instrument to show you today. This is a tenor uke. It is number 1003. And this is a stock that just kind of came together over the winter. Bringing it to the music camps this spring, and if it survives, it'll be on the website. The back and sides are some beautiful Oregon white oak. Got some cool bug holes in it. This is from Larry's property. Just a tree that came down on Larry's spot. And all the bug holes are filled with glue and then with black wax, which I think looks really cool. It's got a curly Orford cedar top. It's from my neighbor's stash. He was a flute maker. And then the neck used some white mahogany or primavera. This is a salvaged tropical wood. Pistachio up here, and walnut binding everywhere. So on the light colored open pored woods here, I used some dark black wax, which gets in the pores, and I think that looks really cool, especially on the oak. It's got a low G, it's got wooden strap buttons, and we can add a pickup if somebody wants. It's got a really nice mellow sound when played softly, but it really hits hard when you hit it. Yeah, I'm really proud of it. So that is number 1003. Cheers.